Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a basic arrangement to play what I've got here, and then I'll see if I want to add anything else. So I'm just going to grab all of it and just move it down like this in the session view, and let me see, I'm going to stop all the sounds. I just want to see what it sounds like if I would bring in the field recordings first. What about if I just start with piano? And then I could fade in the field recordings. See what that would sound like. Yeah, I think that might be the way to go. So I'll put this piano one up here, because I want to be triggering everything from the scenes. So what this is over here, for those of you that don't know what a push is, the way I've got it set up right now when I hit session is it reflects the scene. So this is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and so on. So what I'll do is I've got the piano up here. Actually, what I'll do is I will also put the field recordings in there. Oops. There we go. I'm going to remove the stop buttons all the way over here, just so this keeps playing once it's been switched on when I go through the scenes. And yeah, I just need to remember to turn the field recordings down. So I'll bring that up as I feel. And then I think next I want to copy that, and I want to bring in the bass line. So that would be, yeah, I like that. And then I think actually at the same time I'm going to bring in those drums. Yeah. And then next I'll go here with the piano and this bass. Keep these drums going. And then I'm going to go back to piano 1, bass 1, and we're going to bring in, hold on, I need to color this differently. Let's make this orange. I'm going to bring in the second drums, which will be this. And so let me just turn up this. Maybe if I put this in there. I still feel like that hi-hat is too loud. Oops, what's going on? Okay, so I think from there, let me just copy this all down. Actually, yeah. Like this. And then I want this part, the third piano part with this. And then I just want it to be the prism with live drums. And that should be it. Let me just see the last thing. Add the stop button here so it stops when I want everything to. Okay. I think I like it.